The P1 error code on a tankless water heater indicates that the heater is not operating normally due to insufficient water flow. This issue can be caused by a clogged water filter, a blocked circulation line, or low water pressure. To resolve this problem, it is essential to check the water pressure and ensure it meets the manufacturer's requirements, as specified in the manual. Additionally, inspecting the water filter and inlet screen is crucial, as a clogged filter can prevent the free flow of water and trigger the P1 error code. Replacing the water filter and cleaning the inlet screen can help resolve the issue. It is also necessary to check the cold water connection and the circulation line for any blockages, and replace the circulator if needed. By following these steps, the P1 error code can be fixed, and the tankless water heater can operate normally again.